Well, not too much rain around, and that means our temperatures are going back up. It is getting hot out there
Yeah,
again.
you've spelled it out exactly how it's happening now. The rain stops, the temperature heads back up, and we haven't seen any rain in the Austin area now of any significance for a couple of days. We did have a couple more rain showers today off in our eastern counties, Lee and Fayette County, so technically it's the 13th day in a row that we've seen rain in our viewing area, but every day it's getting a little more and more sparse. There you're looking at our July total, which is just awesome. 5.82 inches at Camp Mabry this month here in the city. And, you know, some parts of the metro area saw as much as 10 inches. In fact, we had a couple of 13-inch rainfall totals up around near Round Rock in a real small area and down toward Jollyville in a real small area. So some places saw double this amount, but this by itself is the wettest month we have seen in 2012 at 5.82. And so ironic, since July typically is our driest month of the year, at least on average. All right, lake levels, what are they doing with all this rain recently? They're not coming up. In fact, Sandy Creek right now is flowing at 1 cubic foot per second, and just a trickle down Pedernales River right now. And so Buchanan and Travis were both down just a little bit today. All that real heavy rain, unfortunately, fell just below Lake Travis. It had been, 15 miles back upstream, it would have got into the lake, but that's not the way it worked out. And now it looks like it may be mostly dry the rest of the month. We're going to talk more about that in a minute. You're looking live, though, in downtown Austin, where skies are partly cloudy, and it is 86 degrees, but it feels a little warmer because it's pretty humid out there. By morning, 75 is our forecast low temperature. Noon up to around 88 degrees, and then we're thinking tomorrow we'll be back up at about 97, which will be the first day that we're back to average on the high temperatures in 11 days out at the airport. Today is 10 days in a row out at the airport that we have been cooler than average in terms of the afternoon high temperatures. What a 180 from last summer, when today would have been the 35th day we had seen triple-digit heat. 1 year ago today, 35 times we'd already been to 100 or above. This year, it's only happened 8 times so far. And we don't have any 100-degree weather in our 7-day forecast either. You're going to like that coming out. It gets close, but not quite up to 100. Temperatures out there right now, 93 in Georgetown, 84 in LaGrange, 81 in Giddings, 82 down in San Marcos. These are not bad numbers for 9 p.m. on a mid-July evening. It does feel a little hotter, though, when you factor in the humidity. These are our current heat index temperatures, or how hot it feels to you, and it's still running in the low 90s. And because of this continuing and returning really excessive heat that we're expecting the rest of the month, we wanted to remind you that our summer fan drive is not over. It's going to continue through August, and we still need your help. We need more fans, we need more air conditioners to give to the needy in our community. You can find out more about our Family Elder Care Fan Drive at KXAN.com. Temperatures out there right now at 86 degrees. It's partly cloudy. At the airport, it's 84 under a partly cloudy sky. Winds, there's a little breeze out there, less than 10 miles per hour. Mole count did not improve today, but it didn't get any worse. 6,003 is still in the high category, but that's much improved over a week ago when it shot up to 27,000. I know you remember that day. That was nearly a record. 93 up in Dallas at this hour, 84 down in Houston. We saw fewer and fewer rain showers in the state today. There's the upper level low that we've been tracking for 2 weeks now. It is finally moving across the Big Bend. It's headed to the northwest and away from us. High pressure's building in behind it from the north, which means we'll get drier and we'll get hotter in the days to come. But look at the new 8 to 14-day outlook. It says not just in the 7-day period, but in the week 2 period, we're going to continue to be drier than normal. So we may have had all our rain in the first half of July like we did in the first half of May, and then it just shut off. That looks like that may be happening again. Hotter than normal weather, though, may remain to the north of us. Let's hope so. Now, here's some good news. This takes us into October. This is our new outlook for August, September, October. We're very near the area to be wetter than normal, but also warmer than normal during that time frame. And one more map for you. This is the good news. October, November, December, the El Nino expected to kick in and bring us wetter than normal weather through the winter and into the spring. Tonight, the low temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, we're expecting high temperatures back up into the mid to upper 90s. In Austin tonight, late night low clouds and 75. Let's go 97 tomorrow and partly to mostly sunny. And then I told you on that 7-day forecast, it just gets hotter. Back up close to 100 degrees this weekend. We're hoping we don't quite get there. And then next week, temperatures may moderate just a couple of degrees, but it's still going to be seasonally hot for July. Tomorrow morning when you wake up at 4:30 or whenever you wake up, tune us in over on KXAN. We bring you weather and traffic every 10 minutes all morning long.